don't ever blame your spouse for your wrong actions. People actually have the audacity to come up and say, well, I did this because you don't show me enough love. I did this because you don't spend time with me. I did this because you are not there for me, and so on. All those are problems I do agree need addressing, but they do not justify what you've just done. So one of the worst things to deal with is a thief who's justifying the robbery. Come on, man. No. People say you must apologize. Number one, seek forgiveness of Allah. Number two is apologize without being asked to apologize. I believe when someone demands an apology and you give that apology, it's hypocritical in a lot of cases because they didn't want to give it, but you said, I want an apology, so you write an apology or you give an apology. They could just say, I'm sorry. They're not sorry because you've asked them to say sorry. That's why they said it. A true apology is that which comes without it being asked. It came from the heart of the individual. If they're remorseful, if they're apologizing, the sin they've committed is on a level that is forgivable. Subhanallah, Ya Rabbil Alameen. You know what? I know of people who've forgiven and their relationships thereafter have become much stronger. Good people also make mistakes at times. Obviously, I've actually said it all depends on the person as well as the magnitude of the sin. And it also depends on whom that sin was committed with. Sometimes it's unforgivable, man. How could you do this with someone who's so close? So it depends. Now, in the eyes of Allah, there is no sin that is unforgivable. Even shirk, if you seek forgiveness of it while you're alive, you're forgiven. But you need to know something. Human beings are not Allah. They won't forgive you that easily. It takes time to rebuild a relationship, to build the trust. It would take ages. Sometimes it may never be the same again. You have to work on that. You have to prove yourself. Come on.